So we have a laptop 5520 which is have a LED display. Here is the image, and we will build this BIOS. So for this we need a repository for this one. So first I will drop in the AMI analyzer and check the CSV version. So you can see here we have 15.0412158 and the SKU is corporate LP, chipset is Tiger Lake Point TGP LPDB. So same version we need repository file. So here we have the same version repository file. For doing this, paste here. You can see here this is the same version we have taken for the display. So we will clean the AMI. I will open the FIT tool first, and here you can see, and for this, and I will drop the all BIOS here, LED display BIOS. So you can see here we have some here CSC region. We have CSC region. So to fix this here, I will take one software. Where is that one? Here I have EC Finder. So I will use this one. Paste here, and I will delete this. Don't want this image. So I will run this EC Finder to fix the error of CSC region. So we have to wait for a moment, and what he's saying, they're saying to drop the CSC error. So I will drop this file and I will now give enter. You can see here until CSC region is found patching. So my CSC region is fixed. Again you can see here we have got another BIOS, LED display BIOS pin CSC fix. So again I will run the FID tool. First I will delete the garbage and again run FID tool. And you can see here I will drop this one CSC. Let's see error came or not. Now you can see the error has gone. We'll go to build setting. Generate intermediate should be no, because we don't want garbage. In generate intermediate means you want garbage or not. So I will just say no, and file will be saved. Save as. File is saved. Now I will get again. I will take this repository, cut, and I will go to F here, decompose, paste this one. Where is any subpartition? Here I will rename and copy the file name. Now here I will give you the name any subpartition, and I will delete the old AMI region. Again I will run the first delete the fitlog and run the FID tool. can see here, I will drag and did this and title dot. This is my use my this method. You can see the error has gone. Now I will build image here. Okay, the browse has built. Now you can see here we got this out image. So rename this.
हो गया
कौन नहीं मना नहीं करता है सब